Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of your Telegram account on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Telegram account on your phone, first open up your Telegram app, and over here guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Now in order to sign out or log out of your Telegram account, first tap on that three-lined icon, and when this panel appears, tap on the settings option available for us at the bottom of the screen. Just below the saved messages over here guys, tap on the settings, and on this interface guys, again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and on this interface you will be able to find the logout button available for us. Tap on logout, and again on this interface tap on the logout button, and when this dialog box appears, tap on logout over here, and then you'll be logged out of your Telegram account on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to log out of your Telegram account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.